I ordered this cable from AliExpress and it took me around 1 month to get the delivery. So now let me cut open the package itself, and this thing costed me around 180 Indian rupees or $3 US. That is really cheap considering it's a 3 meter long micro USB cable. I will leave direct link in the description below if you want to buy one for yourself. Yes, I did research for some cables in Amazon India, but they were starting from around 300, 400 or 500 Indian rupees for even the basic ones, and that is why I ordered this one from AliExpress. This is how the box itself looks like. We have Youbao branding on the top and other Chinese texts because of course it's a Chinese brand. And as you can see, it's written here that it can charge up to 2.4 amps, which is again great for the price. So now let me cut open the seal to see the components inside the box. Here, as you can see, the company is situated in Shenzhen, China, if you are wondering. Opening up the box, here we have the cable itself inside a plastic wrap and of course nothing else. And this is the cable itself. Note that this cable has 1 meter, 2 meter and 3 meter options, and this is the 3 meter one. 1 meter and 2 meter versions are cheaper than this one. First impressions, the quality of this cable feels really great, I gotta say, and it's a little bit thicker, I guess, if you compare it with the stock Xiaomi charging cable. The cable feels strong enough to hold up pretty well, but this is no way a review or something like that. Here we have the Youbao branding on the micro USB port. Here you can have a closer look again on the cable if you want to. In my opinion, this is a great value for your money, so that's why I wanted to make a video about it. If you like this video, give this one a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you loved my work. This has been Tito from KTN Tech. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you in the next one.